Are you frightened of your accounts, or are you pretending not to know something? If you haven't yet, click the bell and subscribe to be notified every time we produce our best pieces of content. There's a lot of business owners that I've spoken to that are either frightened of their accounts or they're frightened of their accountant. Both should be helping you. So within your business, you should have a rough handle of your numbers. I get everyone won't be qualified finance professionals, but there are certain key things that you should know. So are there things that you're frightened of? Are there things that you're ignoring? Or are there black holes where things are going missing? Your accounts are the scoreboard to say exactly how well you're doing within a period. Now, normally a set of accounts will be on an annual basis because that's what you need to file at Companies House or on your self-assessment with HMRC. But how well you're doing is why you get out of bed every single morning. So I get that some people are frightened of their accounts because they don't understand them. Do whatever it takes with whatever advisor to give you the knowledge that you need. Now, sometimes, and I remember sitting in front of a client called Sam quite recently who said, oh yeah, well, business isn't doing well, Michael. And I go, oh, okay, what's going on? Well, that's okay. And then when I dug down into it, there was a black hole. The black hole was in their director's loan account. They'd taken out too much money than what they've earned. This is quite a common problem within small businesses, but it's a trap you shouldn't really fall into. Now, when we dug into it even a bit more further, it was just like, okay, where's this money gone? Is it where? And as we dug into it, instead of going on 3 holidays this year, they'd been on 7. So as I said, oh, well, you've had a nice time, haven't you? And then they sat there and went, I'm actually waiting for you to tell me off. I'm like, what? As a business owner, you should be taking complete responsibility for everything that you're doing. Now, I get sometimes we're a little bit naughty or we take things a little bit too far, but you shouldn't have to wait to sit in front of your accountant advisor to actually get them to tell you off. You should be taking ownership. Now, in these turbulent times, this is going to be even more important. And if you're confused at all with how you take money out of a business, I recorded a video called Director's Loan Account. This will give you what you need in layman's terms to really understand where your drawings go as a limited company. Now, actually understanding your accounts, you don't need to understand everything. All you need to understand is key ratios that are important to you. So ones that I think are really important are gross profit. What the margin you're making on your goods and services is key. Knowing what your net profit is as a percentage will tell you how well you're doing, because a lot of small businesses take money out of their businesses via dividends. And if you haven't got the profitability there in your net profit, no dividends, no income, no 7 holidays with Sam, you are not doing anything. And if you're not earning the money that you should be earning with your business, unless you're in a growth stage, you are failing. Who wants to do that? Now, fear can come from a lot of different regions. I'm a big fan with all of our clients on taking board any questions, comments or feedback that they've got. And yeah, there is no such thing as a stupid question, even if it's asked 3 times. So have you had the opportunity to get training, get advice and get the key things that you need to be able to run your business? Or are you sitting there white knuckled when you're sitting in front of the meeting with your accountant going, how well did I get on? This is time to absolutely drop any fear that you have to make sure that you are doing absolutely awesome and you completely understand where you are going. So what could you do today within your business if you have any fear at all, or what could you do that you'd like to know that you think you should know to get the training and advice that you would need to make your business better? So anyone that is frightened of their accounts, don't be embarrassed. I'm going to offer a discovery call below to show you how can I help. This meeting is purely on me. There's no cost to it. It is just about providing value, and no, there'll be no pushy sales pitch.